Okay, welcome to my channel Maths with Mantisa. Children, today let us discuss few more questions, MCQ questions on trigonometry. What we have discussed earlier, let us discuss few more important questions which are generally coming in the board examination. Okay, so let me discuss one question. Suppose you are given a trigonometric expression like this: sin theta c by 1 minus cot theta plus cos theta by 1 minus tan theta equal to dash, and the options are given. Suppose the options are given: sin theta plus cos theta, sin theta minus cos theta. These are some options given. Okay, cos theta minus sin theta, etc. Suppose these are the three options. So which option will be true for this trigonometric expression? Let us find out. Okay, so how to do? Sin theta by 1 minus cot theta plus cos theta by 1 minus tan theta, it will be equal to which of these? Let us find out. Okay, now to find this, you see, look at this cot ratio. Now first you express cot in terms of sin and cos, and here you see tan theta is given, you express tan in terms of sin and cos. Okay, so this will be sin theta by 1 minus, this will be cos theta by sin theta. Okay, similarly this is cos theta by 1 minus tan theta. If you express tan theta in terms of sin and cos, it will be sin by cos, that is sin theta by cos theta. Okay, now you take the LCM of this is sin theta. Now take the LCM is again sin theta, so this will be sin theta minus cos theta. Similarly, take the LCM here also, it is cos theta by cos theta minus sin theta divided by cos theta. So what will be the next step? The next step, this sin theta will be multiplied by sin theta. It will become sin square theta by sin theta minus cos theta plus, again this will be multiplied by cos theta, so it will become cos square theta by cos theta minus sin theta. Okay, next what will be the step? Next step, you see, the next step will be, look at, here it is sin theta minus cos theta, here it is cos theta minus sin theta. So we have to change the order. Either we will change the order of this denominator or this denominator. Let us change the order of this denominator. So how can we change? That means how to make cos theta minus sin theta. See, here it is sin theta minus cos theta, but here it is cos theta minus sin theta. So this cos theta minus sin theta is to be changed into sin minus cos. Then only we can take the LCM. If the denominator is same, here it is different. See, here it is sin minus cos, but here it is cos minus sin. They are not same. So first we have to make them same, then only we can take LCM. So to make them same, to make this denominator, that is cos theta minus sin theta, as sin minus cos, what we will do? What is the step? We have to just multiply one minus sign here, negative sign here. That means, you see, so this will be sin square theta by, let this be constant, sin theta minus cos theta, then this is plus cos square theta, let the denominator be same. Now just you multiply here minus, here it is given cos theta minus sin theta, so if you multiply minus, it will become your sin minus cos. It will become sin theta minus cos theta. Okay, now plus by minus is minus. Now look at the denominator. The denominator is same, we can easily take the LCM. So take the LCM. See, so the LCM will be sin theta minus cos theta, and by taking LCM it will be sin square theta, plus by minus is minus, it will be cos square theta. Okay, now it is in the form, look at the numerator. The numerator is in the form a square minus b square, that is a plus b into a minus b. So it will be sin theta plus cos theta into sin theta minus cos theta. Okay, whole divided by sin theta minus cos theta. See, so this term cancel. So what is the answer? The answer is sin theta plus cos theta. So this will be the correct choice. Option number 1 will be the correct choice. Okay, that means the value of this trigonometric expression will be equal to sin theta plus cos theta. Children, I hope you understood. Okay, let me discuss another question. See, suppose you are given a question like this. Suppose you are given a question like this, you see. 1 plus cot theta minus cosec theta into 1 plus tan theta into sec theta, you see. 1 plus tan theta plus sec theta. See, what will be the value? Yes. What will be the value of this trigonometric? That means the product of this trigonometric expression and this trigonometric expression. What will be the product of these two trigonometric? What will be the value? Okay, let us find out. See, to find the value of the product of these two trigonometric expression, what steps we will follow? See, suppose this is 1 plus cot, you know it is cos by sine. Express cot theta in terms of cos and sine, it will be cos theta by sine theta minus cosec theta is the reciprocal of sine theta. Okay. Now similarly 1 plus express tan theta in terms of sine and cos, so it will be sine by cos plus sec theta, it is the reciprocal of cos theta. It is the reciprocal of cos theta. Okay. Now take the LCM. The LCM is sine theta. As these three terms, there is plus and minus sign between the terms, so we have to take the LCM. So it will be sine theta plus your cos theta, your minus 1. Okay. And this will be cos theta plus sine theta plus 1 divided by cos theta. On taking LCM, you will get this. On taking LCM, you will get this. Okay, what will be the next step? Let us see. Now see, this is cos theta plus sin theta plus 1. Here cos theta plus sin theta minus 1. See, cos theta plus sin theta, keep it in one bracket, minus 1. Now this can be written as cos theta plus sin theta plus 1. See, and multiply the denominator, it will be sin theta into cos theta. Now look at cos theta plus sin theta minus 1, cos theta plus sin theta plus 1. So take this one, suppose A. This is A minus B into A plus B. You know the formula for A minus B into A plus B. It is A square minus B square. That means this will be cos theta plus sin theta whole square minus 1 square divided by sin theta into cos theta. Okay. Now what will be the next step? Let us see. What will be the next step? Let us see. So the next step is, you look at, it is A plus B whole square. See. So A plus B whole square, that means it is cos square theta plus sin square, cos square theta plus sin square theta plus 2 cos theta into sin theta. Then 1 square is 1 minus 1 divided by your sin theta into cos theta. Sin theta into cos theta. Okay. Now see, cos square theta plus sin square theta, it is a trigonometric identity and you know its value. Its value is 1. So this will be 1 plus 2 cos theta sin theta minus 1 divided by sin theta into cos theta. Now 1 cancel. So 2 cos theta, then cos theta sin theta cancel, it is 2. See. So the final answer. So the value of this expression will be equal to 2. So children, I hope you understood how to do this question. Let us discuss another one. Okay. Let us discuss another one. Suppose you are given a question like this. Suppose you are given a question. Let us discuss the fourth one. Suppose you are given tan theta by sec theta minus 1 plus tan theta by sec theta plus 1. See, sec theta plus 1. What is the question? Express in terms of, the question is express tan theta by sec theta minus 1 plus tan theta by sec theta plus 1 in your cosec theta. How to express this trigonometric expression which is given in terms of tan and sec only in terms of cosec theta? Let us see. Okay. Let us see how to express this trigonometric expression containing only tan and sec in terms of cosec. Let us see how to do. See, it is very simple. First you express tan in terms of sin and cos. It will be sin by cos. Okay. Tan sin by cos. This is 1 by cos because sec theta is the reciprocal of cos theta. Similarly, this is sin by cos. This is 1 by cos plus 1. Okay. Now take the LCM. It will be sin theta by cos theta. On taking LCM of the denominator, see, on taking LCM of the denominator, it will be 1 minus cos theta by cos theta. Okay. Similarly, this is sin theta by cos theta. Again you take the LCM, it will be 1 plus cos theta by cos theta. See, now cos theta cancel. Here also cos theta cancel. So what is left? Here it is left sin theta by, you see, sin theta by 1 minus cos theta. And what is left here? Here it is sin theta by 1 plus cos theta. Sin theta by 1 plus cos theta. Okay. Now we have to simplify it further. Okay. So what I did, I just expressed tan and sec in terms of sin and cos. Tan I expressed in terms of sin and cos. Sec I expressed in terms of cos. And the same thing, the same logic I applied in the second term also. Okay. And finally I got this one. Now let us take the LCM because they have been added. So as the two trigonometric expressions have been added, so take the LCM. It is, what will be the LCM? The LCM will be 1 minus cos square theta. Because the LCM will be the product of 1 minus cos theta and 1 plus cos theta, which is equal to 1 minus cos square theta. Now divide this one by 1 minus cos theta. So what will you get? 1 plus cos theta, multiply 1 plus cos theta by sin theta. So sin theta into 1 plus cos theta plus, again divide this, you will get 1 minus cos theta. So multiply it, sin theta into 1 minus cos theta. Okay. So now you multiply, it is sin theta plus sin theta into cos theta plus sin theta, again minus sin theta into cos theta whole divided by, see, 1 minus cos square theta. What is its value? Its value is sin square theta because sin square theta plus cos square theta is 1. So 1 minus cos square theta will be definitely sin square theta. So in place of 1 minus cos square theta, let us write sin square theta. Now see, sin theta cos theta minus sin theta cos theta cancel. Sin theta, you add, it will be 2 sin theta. So 2 sin theta by sin square theta. Now it will be cancelled. It will be sin theta. So 2 by sin theta, see. So 2 by sin theta. 2 by sin theta means what? 2 into 1 by sin theta, it is 2 cosec theta. 2 cosec theta, okay. So I hope whatever problem I discussed in this class you must have understood, okay. We will discuss more problems on this chapter in the next class. Thank you.